Good morning students. Now we are going to discuss the second application of Gauss law, which is for calculating the electric field due to an infinite plane sheet of charge. For this, let us consider a sheet of charge having a surface charge density sigma coulomb per meter square. As we know, sigma is equals to q by a, so q can be written as sigma a. Now let P be a point at a distance r from the sheet at which we have to find the electric field intensity. For this, let us choose a point P dash on other side of the sheet and now draw the Gaussian cylinder. Let A be the area of this plane end. Now the intensity at all points of the sheet will be perpendicular to the sheet and directed outwards. Means the direction of electric field intensity will be outward. And the magnitude of intensity will be same at P and P dash. Therefore, the total flux through the two plane ends will be phi E is equals to integration E dot dA plus integration E dot d. E dot dA is taken twice because one for P and other is for P dash. Now where dA is a area vector, now as E and dA are parallel, so phi E can be written as EDA plus EDA. This is so because the angle between E and DA is again 0. Means they are E and DA are parallel, so the angle between them is 0. Or because the E is same, so phi E can be written as EDA plus EDA, or as we will integrate dA, then it will become A, so phi will be equal to EA plus E, or it is equal to 2EA. Now the flux through the curved surface of the Gaussian cylinder is 0 because E and dA, here E and dA, if we will consider about this curved surface, so E and dA will be perpendicular to each other, so the total flux passing through the Gaussian cylinder is equals to phi is equals to 2EA. This can be written as equation number 1. Now from Gauss law we know that phi is equals to q upon epsilon naught, or it can be written as, because q is equals to sigma a, so it can be written as sigma a upon epsilon naught. Equation number 2. Now by comparing equation number 1 and 2, we will get 2EA is equals to sigma A upon epsilon naught. Here A will cancel A, so we will get E as sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. This is the formula for electric field due to an infinite plane sheet of